Casey Brown TV show. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are highly lifted and blessed, because I know these days are so worried and tough for us, but God, we know everything's gonna be okay very soon. So guys, today let me break it down. If it's your first time here, please try to subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Like anytime I drop video, you can be first person who will notify, so you can see updates while they drop. Here we talk about migrant issue, we talk about document issue, we talk about what's in the app for Italy, we talk about anything where you get for your document. You want to know anything about document issue. Now here we solve. If you ask questions, now here we will see answer you. So guys, my number are there if you want to ask me anything about your documents, and we still they help. They prepare you for commission or appeal. Any question about documents, we are here to give it to you. So guys, today I drop and down for their parliament, Italian parliament. Don't be small word day. Understand? Don't be small word. Now they see their prime minister every time they come out for television, they talk. Then they call Joseph Conte. The guy the verse. Understand? Because yesterday they call up for parliament, all the senate, even Savini, all of them, they gather for there. They face am. He says, how the thing just increase, the corona go stop, the things they increase. Only today now 919 people now die. So all of the verse. See wetin they do, wetin happen, where the things they affect people. Now the man talks, the time when he talks, everybody shut down, nobody really shut down. Many people see they work, many people see they travel. Now so they think they spread. What thing go do? He say don't bring money come out 25 billion dollar euro. The money no still reach. Now they still call their central bank for Europe central bank. He needs to another. He wants to go collect another 25 billion. City run things again, because now the citizens now many of them they ask now they shall say money no deal with the again. Money no deal with the again. No be small one now. No be small problem dey for parliament and all everywhere, crazy dey everywhere. Understand? This crisis no be small one. See the other day for video, one of the some Italian people come out the shout say they no get money to take feed, no money to take buy food stuff for us. How they want take day now, so they want the day for all this month. The government no dey help. Wetin dey happen? And na real, the government need to do something. Many people there so they no get money to take feed safe. Many people just dey like that. So they say they want they share something, they want they share money. The money they don't know how they collect the money. People know they see the money. How they waiting they happen? People they ask now, people when they sell things for shop, all of them lock their shop. How they want to feed, do not get money for hand. So the government need to reason that one. That make they call the man, having they talk say maybe they put more money for people. So when they bring some kind of idea, they give them, when they build many hospital space there for Milan, they need to build on that big hospital. So when they talk say both electric lights bill, gas bill, dirty bill, water bill, make they suspend them. But bill still they come. People they complain say bill still they come for this crisis where you're there. Bill still they come. So when they face them, they face the prime minister now. The prime minister saying they do it best. They say they only see something, no they change. The things they increase, the inputs, the things they go high. They need to do something. My brother, you need to do something. You see now, see the citizens, even the migrants, many of the streets. That make them say lockdown. Things no they move. You need to make the citizen and any foreigner to be okay for the countryside. I know you need to face your citizen, but make sure say they fine. No be small war parliament now, no be small crisis dey the parliament. They talk about corona problem for the parliament, on that problem dey. They face the man, make the man do something. As now they see the video now where the people they cry, they shout. They don't get money to take feed, they don't get money to take do two best food stuff. Beast they enter hand, beast they see the same bill they come. All of them they call the man say they need to suspend many things. Before I felt yesterday, they don't suspend water bill, light bill, gas bill. But this month, bill come. No be small bill. People they shout. Which money they want to pay the bill when they come now? They say maybe they go remove small money for the bills, but the things, the boys, where the money there? People don't get money. So you need to arrange the parliament settled as you say one will collect under 25,000 and under 25 billion euro. May you collect. Make sure so you make the citizen build hospital, Make sure say this crisis I don't understand. This corona, the way they go, we don't understand. Because now you see people they ask, you need to give them provisions. When they wanted to stay ask, you need to provide provision for the people who know it says 600. Even IMS now they lock when they want to go collect the 600. Everywhere lock. They say now next week this thing will still the form will come out so they want to pay people 600. People wait for babysitter and for I go talk that one for my next video. I go talk that one. I go 10 as I want to go as I want to go fill the form as I want to request for the 600 people where they stop for work, people where they do farm work, people where get hepatitis even, where get their self employed, where they sell, where get stores. So all those people I go 10 as now take because I know say IMS don't lock, but now go their sites. I will show you as now take do one for my next video. So make it a channel and subscribe. Not be small problem there now with the parliament, not be small word day. May God help us. May God help us. Today people just died 919. Now even the citizens now they streets, they paro, they smell the SARS, but no food, no water, no money to the best food stuff. Eh? If they go make come say they don't get money, what did they happen? They need to settle this matter. Maybe Joseph Conte need to settle the citizens, settle people with the citizens, settle the foreigners if you anyone we need help. Understand? They need to settle this matter. Corona, see they increase, people see they come out because no money to take feed themselves. That means they come out from this house. No be their fault. So you need to settle this issue. Look eye on this problem. I know it not easy, but you need to look eye on the problem. See America, see UK. So the citizens they asked, but they give them provisions, they provide for them. So you need to provide for your citizens and anybody we get the right to benefit from any bonus or anything you want to do for the country people. This is the news I can drop today. My brothers and sisters, so much subscribe when I follow for this program so that I will drop many updates for you now. Understand? But when I relax in a document issue, they see the reason now. But when I later move settle this coronavirus issue. If any updates come for documents, I will give now many bonus day way I want to talk. Then when I go my next video, subscribe. Make I say now as I wanted to follow up for the bonus. So subscribe and see now for my next video and stay blessed and stay safe. Please use your mask and your sanitized cream. Stay blessed. Bye for now.